Welcome to the exciting world of editing viral YouTube shorts with AI. If you're keen on mastering the art of creating captivating shorts packed with eye-catching elements like subtitles, B-roll footage, music, transitions, and emojis, then you've hit the jackpot. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned viewer of my channel, this tutorial promises to be a fun, fast-paced adventure into the realm of AI-driven video editing. Today, we're stepping up our game, building on the techniques I've previously shared, and diving deeper into the creative process. The focus? To transform your content creation experience, making it not just swift and straightforward, but also incredibly engaging. We're talking about turning simple videos into mesmerizing YouTube shorts in a matter of just 2 minutes. So, grab your notepad, rev up your creative engines, and let's embark on this journey together. You're about to unlock the secrets to creating shorts that not only capture the essence of your message, but also have the potential to go viral. Get ready for a fun-filled, informative session that will elevate your video editing skills to new heights. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of editing YouTube shorts efficiently, enabling you to kickstart your own channel specializing in these engaging, brief videos. The potential for earnings is substantial, and the best part? You can edit these shorts in just 2 minutes. We'll be utilizing a tool called Pictory AI, focusing specifically on its edit videos using text feature, which simplifies the entire editing process. In this detailed tutorial, I'll guide you through efficiently editing YouTube shorts using Pictory.ai, a tool that revolutionizes content creation for your channel. Start by selecting a video, like a podcast, and copy its link into Pictory.ai, which will transcribe it, setting the stage for your editing. This transcript is key for identifying and removing silences, creating a dynamic pace essential for engaging shorts. You'll also add subtitles, crucial for viewers who often watch without sound. Next, adjust the video's aspect ratio to portrait, optimizing it for mobile viewing, the primary platform for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels viewers. After preparing your transcript and video format, dive into customization. Manually select segments of the video in Pictory.ai to create individual shorts. Here, enhance your content with B-roll footage for visual interest and transitions for smooth storytelling. An essential feature in Pictory AI allows you to unlink scenes, enabling you to add different B-roll to each part of your short, keeping each segment visually unique and intriguing. This step-by-step process with Pictory AI not only simplifies, but also significantly enhances your content creation, allowing you to produce high-quality, captivating shorts in just minutes. Once you have prepared your transcript and adjusted the video to the optimal portrait aspect ratio, it's time to unleash your creativity and start crafting your YouTube shorts. In Pictory.ai, you'll delve into the manual selection process, identifying the most impactful or interesting segments of the video for transformation into individual shorts. This selection process is intuitive and allows you to cherry-pick moments that resonate most with your intended audience. After selecting these segments, you'll add them to the Highlights section in Pictory.ai. This section serves as your editing playground, where you can begin to tailor each short to your vision. One of the most effective ways to enhance your shorts is by incorporating B-roll footage. B-roll, or supplemental footage, is used to add depth and visual interest to your main content. It can be anything from relevant stock footage to animations that complement the subject matter being discussed in your short. For instance, if your chosen podcast segment features Andrew Tate discussing a specific theme, you can insert B-roll footage that aligns with this topic, visually reinforcing the spoken content and making the short more engaging and relatable. Transitions play a significant role in ensuring a smooth and professional flow between scenes. In Pictory AI, you can choose from a variety of transition styles to connect your scenes seamlessly. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your shorts, but also ensures a cohesive viewing experience for your audience. An essential feature of Pictory.ai in this process is the ability to unlink scenes. Unlinking scenes gives you the flexibility to assign different B-roll footage to each segment of your short. This is particularly useful for keeping your content diverse and visually stimulating. Each segment of your short becomes a unique visual story, avoiding repetitiveness and maintaining viewer interest throughout. By incorporating these detailed editing techniques, you can transform standard video content into engaging, visually rich shorts that capture your audience's attention. This process, while highly effective, is also streamlined and user-friendly, allowing you to produce quality content efficiently and make your shorts stand out in the competitive landscape of short-form video content. By following these steps, you're not just repurposing content, you're enhancing it and making it your own. This method of editing allows you to produce high-quality, engaging shorts that stand out in the bustling world of short-form content. With practice, you can streamline this process to just 2 minutes per video, efficiently producing a series of shorts that can attract viewers and potentially generate significant income. Creating subtitles that are both legible and engaging is a key aspect of editing YouTube Shorts. In this tutorial, we'll enhance the subtitles to ensure they capture the viewer's attention while accurately conveying the message of your video. First, we'll place the subtitles centrally within the frame. This central positioning ensures that they are easily visible and don't get lost amid the other visual elements. Next, we'll increase the size of the text to improve readability, especially on smaller screens like smartphones where most shorts are viewed. In creating compelling YouTube Shorts, selecting the right font for your subtitles is a crucial step that significantly impacts viewer engagement. When browsing through Pictory.ai's diverse font library, consider how each style aligns with your video's mood and theme. Whether your content is lighthearted or more serious, the chosen font should visually complement and enhance your message. Eye-catching yet legible fonts are key. They should draw the viewer in without overshadowing the video content or being difficult to read, especially on smaller screens. Consistency in font choice can also contribute to your branding, helping to establish a recognizable style across your shorts. It's beneficial to test various fonts within your video and seek feedback, ensuring that the final selection not only looks appealing, but also maintains clarity and readability. By thoughtfully selecting a font in Pictory.ai, you can ensure that your subtitles not only effectively convey your message, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic and engagement of your YouTube Shorts, a vital aspect in the dynamic world of short-form content. Next, we'll add a soundtrack to our video. Music plays a vital role in setting the tone and mood of your content. With Pictory.ai's extensive library of music, you can choose from a wide range of tracks to find the perfect soundtrack for your video. Whether you're looking for something upbeat to create excitement or a more subdued track to convey a serious message, you'll find a suitable option. Once you've chosen your soundtrack, we'll overlay it onto the video, adjusting the volume to balance well with the voiceover and other audio elements. Branding your video is the final step in the editing process. To protect your content and establish brand identity, we'll incorporate a custom logo into your shorts. This logo placement is a strategic move to discourage content theft and ensure viewers associate your unique style and content with your channel. This method of editing YouTube Shorts using Pictory.ai is not just effective, but also incredibly efficient. It streamlines the process, allowing you to produce multiple high-quality shorts from a single long-form video. And the beauty of this approach is its time efficiency. With a little practice, you'll be able to edit and finalize your videos in just over 2 minutes. This speed and efficiency mean you can create a larger volume of content without compromising on quality, making it an excellent strategy for growing your Shorts channel in a cost-effective way. If this guide has been a valuable resource in your journey to mastering the art of creating YouTube Shorts, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is not just appreciated, it's essential. Thank you so much for tuning in and being a part of this tutorial. Remember, every step you take in learning and applying these techniques brings you closer to mastering the art of video editing and potentially making a significant impact in the world of YouTube Shorts. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep sharing your stories with the world. Until next time, happy editing!